Looking for the absolute best mechanical keyboard compact in 2026, expert reviews in 2026. We've analyzed the top 5 models to help you make an expert decision. All links are in the description. Let's dive in. The Redragon K628 Pollux is an impressive gaming mouse that delivers exceptional performance and value. Equipped with a 16,000 CPI optical sensor, this mouse provides precise tracking and accurate cursor movement, making it ideal for fast-paced games. The ergonomic design and comfortable grip ensure long hours of play without fatigue. One of the standout features of the K628 is its impressive durability. Built with high-quality materials, this mouse can withstand heavy use and maintain its performance even after extensive wear and tear. Additionally, the mouse's RGB lighting system offers a range of customization options, allowing users to personalize their gaming experience. The Redragon K628 Pollux also boasts a long-lasting battery life, with some reports suggesting up to 50 hours of continuous usage on a single charge. The mouse is also compatible with a variety of platforms, including Windows, Mac, and Linux. Overall, the Redragon K628 Pollux is an excellent choice for gamers looking for a reliable and high-performance mouse without breaking the bank. With its impressive features and durable construction, it's sure to become a favorite among gamers. Its affordable price point only adds to its value, making it a great investment for those seeking a top-notch gaming experience. The HyperX Alloy Origin 65 is an impressive gaming keyboard that offers exceptional build quality, tactile feedback, and customizable lighting. The compact tankless design makes it ideal for those who prefer a more streamlined typing experience. One of the standout features of this keyboard is its Cherry MX brown switches, which provide a satisfying tactile bump and smooth actuation. The keyboard's aluminum frame and PBT keycaps also contribute to its premium feel and durability. The Alloy Origin 65's customizable lighting system allows for endless creativity, with users able to choose from a wide range of colors and effects. Additionally, the keyboard's NKey rollover, NKRO, technology ensures that every keystroke is registered accurately, even during intense gaming sessions. Overall, the HyperX Alloy Origin 65 is an excellent choice for gamers who value precision, comfort, and customization. Its compact design makes it perfect for those with limited desk space, while its advanced features cater to enthusiasts who demand high-performance hardware. With its durable construction, responsive switches, and adaptable lighting system, this keyboard is sure to become a favorite among gaming enthusiasts. Whether you're a seasoned pro or an aspiring gamer, the HyperX Alloy Origin 65 is an excellent investment for anyone looking to elevate their typing experience. The Redragon K630 Dragonborn gaming mouse is an impressive device that offers excellent performance and features at an affordable price. The mouse boasts a sleek and ergonomic design, making it comfortable to use during long gaming sessions. The built-in DPI switch allows for easy adjustments between 800, 1600, and 3200 DPI settings. The K630 sensor technology provides smooth and accurate tracking, even on complex game maps. The 16,000 CPI resolution is impressive, allowing for precise cursor control. The mouse also features customizable backlighting, with 4 built-in colors that can be adjusted via software. The Redragon K630 Dragonborn offers excellent value for its price, making it an excellent choice for gamers on a budget. The mouse also comes with a 1000 mAh battery life, which is impressive considering its size and weight. Overall, I would highly recommend the Redragon K630 Dragonborn to anyone looking for a reliable and feature-rich gaming mouse. With its impressive performance, comfortable design, and affordable price, the Redragon K630 Dragonborn is an excellent choice for gamers. While it may not offer some of the more advanced features found in higher-end gaming mice, its value proposition is undeniable. The SteelSeries Apex 7 TKL is a top-notch gaming keyboard that delivers exceptional performance and style. With its compact tankless design, it's perfect for gamers who prefer a more streamlined typing experience. The keyboard features a sleek and durable design, with a built-in wrist rest that provides comfort during extended gaming sessions. The switches are responsive and tactile, providing a satisfying bump when pressed. The customizable RGB lighting system is also a standout feature, allowing users to personalize their keyboard's look to match their gaming setup. In terms of performance, the Apex 7 TKL delivers precise and accurate keystrokes, making it an excellent choice for gamers who require quick reflexes and precision. The keyboard is also equipped with SteelSeries proprietary Titan click switches, which provide a smooth and quiet typing experience. Overall, the SteelSeries Apex 7 TKL is an excellent gaming keyboard that offers exceptional performance, style, and comfort. Whether you're a serious gamer or just starting out, this keyboard is definitely worth considering. With its compact design, customizable lighting, and responsive switches, it's sure to enhance your gaming experience. The Redragon K628 Pollux 75% wired RGB gaming keyboard is an excellent choice for gamers seeking precision, comfort, and reliability. This compact mechanical keyboard boasts a 78-key layout that prioritizes functionality over form factor, resulting in dedicated arrow keys that enhance gameplay experience. One of the standout features of this keyboard is its 100% hot swap capability, allowing users to easily swap switches without soldering. This feature not only saves time but also ensures that the switch lifespan remains consistent and unaffected by soldering errors. The keyboard's wired connection ensures stable performance and minimal input lag, which is crucial for gamers who require quick reflexes and precise control. The 75% layout provides a clean design suitable for small desk setups, making it an ideal choice for those with limited space. The quiet red switches provide a comfortable typing experience, and the RGB lighting adds a touch of personalization to the keyboard's design. Overall, the Redragon K628 Pollux is an excellent value for gamers seeking a reliable, precise, and comfortable gaming keyboard. Its compact size and hot swap capability make it an attractive option for those looking to upgrade their gaming setup without breaking the bank. That wraps up our list. Like and subscribe for more. See you next time.